I have here a pair of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick. First thing is go to the settings on your Amazon TV. You can click on the settings button if you have it on your remote. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and just navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. Right there. And now from here you want to go down, and we want to go down to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. From here we're going to go all the way down to other Bluetooth devices right there. Select that. We're going to go all the way down to add Bluetooth devices right there. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So now let's hurry up and put these into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode if both the lights up here is blinking blue slowly, like blue, blue, blue. But I get two solid white lights here. Let me just manually put mine into pairing mode, okay? There's a button on the back here, leave the lid open. Press and hold that button for 2 seconds, ready to go. 2 seconds or until it turns blue here, okay? Now it's blinking slowly, as you can see, so it's in pairing mode. So let's jump back over here. It's still searching. It's in pairing mode. I might have to rescan again. It's still searching. Let me just cancel it. And let's do it again. Add Bluetooth devices. Okay, it's searching again. It's still in the pairing mode. Oh, there we go. Bose Open Earbud Ultra. Let's go ahead and highlight it. Select it. And there we go. It just said connected down there. Okay, so you can see that we are now connected, okay? You know that we're connected because it's that over here it says please select the disconnect. If I go to like my JBLs here, it says select the connect. So I'm only connected to here, to these right here, the Bose here. So, but if I close the lid, obviously it's going to go ahead and disconnect, as you can see right there. Anyway, if you had any issues connecting or putting this into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.